Muharram is the first month of the Islamic calendar, marking the start of the Islamic New Year. It is one of the four sacred months in which warfare is forbidden as indicated in the Qur'an. The name Muharram means that which is made sacred. This month holds significant importance in Islam, especially for the Shia sect, as it commemorates the martyrdom of Imam Hussain, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Islamic year is based on a lunar calendar, with each month beginning with the new moon. This lunar cycle causes the Islamic calendar to be approximately 354 days long, leading to a shift in the dates of Islamic holidays each year in the Gregorian calendar. Muharram is a time for increased worship and reflection. Sunni Muslims often observe optional fasts during this month. Historically, the migration of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his followers from Mecca to Medina in 622 CE, known as the Hijrah, marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. This migration was a turning point for early Muslims who faced oppression in Mecca for their monotheistic beliefs. The 10th day of Muharram, known as Ashura, is particularly significant. It commemorates several important events, including God saving Moses and his people from Pharaoh by parting the sea. Muslims believe that fasting on Ashura was a tradition started by Moses out of gratitude, which was later adopted in Islam. After the obligatory fasting of Ramzan was established, fasting on Ashura became optional but highly recommended. Other events believed to have occurred on Ashura include Noah's Ark coming to rest, Jonah's release from the belly of the whale, Job's cure from illness, and the acceptance of Adam's repentance. For Shia Muslims, Muharram is a major observance marked by mourning the martyrdom of Imam Hussain and the martyrs of Karbala. This is observed through congregational gatherings, street processions, and citywide closures, especially from the 7th to the 10th of Muharram. Shia families may also refrain from celebrating joyous occasions during this period. Muslims are encouraged to engage in various acts of worship during Muharram. These include fasting on the 9th and 10th or the 10th and 11th of Muharram, reading the Qur'an, performing zikr, and giving regular charity sadaqah. These actions are believed to bring blessings and forgiveness. Muharram is not only a sacred month but also the best month to fast after Ramzan. It is known as God's month in Islamic tradition. For Shia Muslims, the month holds additional significance due to the tragic events of Karbala. The virtues of Muharram offer Muslims an opportunity to renew their faith and seek spiritual growth.